Hey everyone! If you've ever stared at your payslip, wondering why a chunk of your hard-earned salary disappears every month, you're not alone. Today, let's break down the history and evolution of income tax in India, simply and quickly. So, where did it all begin? The story takes us back to 1860, when India was under British rule. The British government, facing a financial crisis after the revolt of 1857, decided to introduce the first income tax. Sir James Wilson was the man behind this move. He needed money, and taxing income seemed like the best way. But this tax wasn't permanent. It was scrapped, reintroduced, and tweaked several times over the next few decades. Fast forward to 1922. The British brought in the Income Tax Act of 1922, which gave us a structure that's sort of familiar today. It was the first time income tax in India was administered, with a bit of order and regular assessment years. Now, let's jump to 1947, India's independence. The country needed funds to build a new nation, and the government continued with the system, but with more Indian context and tweaks to suit our economy. By 1961, things were changing fast. Enter the Income Tax Act of 1961. This is the framework we still use, with tons of amendments over the years. The Act covers everything: who pays, how much, exemptions, deductions, penalties, you name it. But here's the thing: tax rates and slabs have never been set in stone. Over the decades, governments have changed them based on economic needs. Sometimes taxes were sky high for the rich, sometimes a bit relaxed. New policies like TDS, tax deducted at source, were introduced to make tax collection smoother. More recently, technology has stepped in. Filing taxes online, digital PAN cards, e-verification, all these have made paying taxes easier, at least in theory. Why does this matter to you as a young professional? Well, understanding where your money goes and why can help you plan better, claim deductions, and avoid penalties. Income tax isn't just a government rule, it's the backbone of India's development, funding schools, roads, hospitals, and yes, even those government exams. So the next time you spot that tax-deducted line on your payslip, remember, you're part of a story that's over 160 years old and still evolving. If you want to dive deeper, let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep learning, keep earning, and don't forget to file your taxes on time.